Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, what the heck? Don't I have a pet guinea pig? Anyways, 3D printed Beyblade battle. New Smite. Its name. If you can hear my pet guinea pig squeaking in the background, please don't mind her. Anyways, this is the new Smite. Forge Smite is the name. One of my subscribers and a YouTuber named Leviathan recommended it, and so I thought I liked it. Anyways, Forge Smite going up against Stronghold, Onslaught. Both have their stock combos. First to 7 points. And yeah, let's just get this started. I have spare parts. I just have spare parts for both in general. So, Smite getting some good hits in, and that's a ring out finish, 1 point. Now, this Smite is actually the strongest variant of Smite I've ever made, even beating out Ballistic Smite, because not Ballistic. Well, yes, Ballistic, but also War, because War. Are you kidding me? Oh, that scares me. War Smite was powerful, but was a cheater, you know? And besides, it can't hold up that well against any Super King Bay. Whereas, this version of Smite, Forge Smite, was strong enough to go up against Draugr and beat him. Getting those hits in. Yeah. Come on, Smite. Kick it into high gear. You can do better. Stamina finish. Yep. 1-1. Anyways, yeah. So with that being said, that's quite interesting. Also, Forge Smite has a new opponent. The battle will be on a different channel. The YouTuber by the name of Leviathan, he is a subscriber, so you might see him in the comment section. Stop! Anyways, Forge Smite will be facing Leviathans, Leviathan Bay. And honestly, it kind of has me a bit scared because Leviathan is pretty powerful. Oh my god! Jesus! Come on, Smite. You can do this. Well, 2-1. Forge Smite will be facing Leviathan's Leviathan. And yeah, that battle will be quite interesting. Go on to his channel to see that because, yeah. And if any of you want to, subscribe to him. Jesus! 3-1. Anyways, if any of you like the content, please do subscribe to him. He's at 28 subscribers. Let's see if we can get him to 30. I'm not really in the best position to say so because we're only at 252 subscribers ourselves. But there's got to be a few. Well, Forge Smite hasn't lost like this to Onslaught ever. What the heck? That's 4-1. Wow. Stop! I just picked up my Beyblade. It might be the stadium. We'll have to see, though. We'll have to see. Oh my! Big hits. Oh, get rejected. 4-2. Shut up if anyone knows the meme. But yeah, that will be an interesting battle to see. Anyways, also, I may be doing an introduction to all the... We're not counting that. I'll be doing an introduction to the Superior 7, all of the members, and all of their avatars. And yes, I finally have Arachne's avatar done. Well, Matriarch Arachne's. The original Arachne's avatar, I may not show. Dang it. Mislaunches, gotta love them. The original Arachne's avatar I may not show because it's a little bit flashy. But the newer one is fully appropriate, so... God dang! Smite going in on him! Oh! Get a burst. I know you can do it. What the heck is happening? 6-2. 5-2, I mean. Yeah, Matriarch Arachne's avatar is quite wholesome, but... Ooh, the teeth are wiggly. Hold on. So I noticed that Smite's, all of his parts were starting to give away and finally broke. So I went ahead and gave him his fresh parts. So yeah, that works. Now he's broke. 5-4. Holy crap. Where did his teeth go? No, let's just replace. I did not see that coming. Holy crap. So, as I was saying, refreshed parts, and this will be interesting now. Stop! Oh! I held my Beyblade and now my hand hurts! So essentially, that was quite an intense burst. I did not see that coming at all. And yeah, this is going to be interesting. Oh! We will not be counting that. There we go. Good. Oh! Come on. Forge. Did Smite just ended this video? The refreshed version just ended the whole video. That was 4 points. He's at 6. No, he needs one more point. Score 6-5. That was crazy. Smite has had enough. He said Onslaught, done. And just like that, Smite ended the video faster than Onslaught even got to 5 points. Scored with a score of 7-5. This adaptation of Smite, I can't remember his name. Forge Smite wins. That was an unexpected win. But, you know what? I kind of saw it coming. Because, you know, Forge Smite always has been able to beat Onslaught. And Onslaught needs a refreshment too, because his ring is damaged. I didn't mean to do that, I'm sorry! Well, anyways, god dang it. Head on over to Leviathan's channel. He's going to be hosting the battle between Forge Smite and his Leviathan Bay. And yeah, it's going to be quite crazy. The refreshed version of Forge is definitely better than the worn version. So yeah. Hope you all enjoyed the video though. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.